We're back with a warning that could not be more timely as the weather gets warmer and we're spending more time outside in the sun. It comes from a young mom stricken with skin cancer who's done something dramatic to keep others from suffering the same way she has. NBC's Hallie Jackson has more on her message and a new way you can better protect yourself.
An Alabama mom named Tawny Willoughby is the woman behind this shocking skin cancer selfie, now spreading on social media. The 27-year-old nurse, hoping this graphic photo, shared more than 60,000 times, acts as a wake-up call. This is what skin cancer treatment can look like. Wear sunscreen and get a spray tan. Willoughby's been diagnosed with 6 carcinomas, a common skin cancer that, while not deadly like melanoma, can require painful treatments to remove. Now, though, a new study finds taking a simple vitamin can help prevent those cancers.
It's very exciting and it's very promising.
Dermatologists like Tanya Kermeli are buzzing about the Australian research that shows people diagnosed with basal or squamous cell carcinoma who took a form of vitamin B3 twice a day were 23% less likely to get the cancer again.
You still have to do all the important things for skin cancer prevention. You cannot just take B3 and go bake in the sun and expect not to have a skin cancer.
The vitamin, no substitute for sunscreen. To help people decide which to buy, Consumer Reports is out with its 17 summer picks, some as inexpensive as $9 a bottle, like Walmart's Equate SPF 50.
The best performing sunscreen in our test was one of the most expensive ones, but there were plenty that were $2 an ounce or less.
And here's how much you need to be protected. Consumer Reports recommends about a teaspoon of sunscreen on each part of your body that's exposed to the sun. Hallie Jackson, NBC News.